Make a great choice today with the 2021 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.